What's going on, crew? Today in this video you will learn how to get a working Last Day on Earth modded game. So as you can see, we are pretty poor, but in the mod menu we can actually turn on unlimited coins. So I just turned it on. So let's see if our coins go up. So as you can see, there they are. It's quite low, really not enough to do anything in the game, but hopefully it starts increasing. So let's see if it goes up or not. Then we're going to be good to go, guys. So let's see what happens. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. Works for iOS and Android, so this is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. Alright, so the first step is going to be going to the browser, and we're just going to type tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, just type Last Day on Earth. And then find the game, go ahead and press install, and before it downloads there is going to be a verification step. So this is the last step to get the mod. It's really easy. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, by the way, from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it, so let's just wait for this to finish downloading here. As you can see, so yes, it's super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, this is so awesome, bro. So yeah, it's loading up right now. So now all we gotta do is download 2 apps. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So just pick 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. DraftKings, you got World Winner, you got a down run for 30 seconds. So most of these are fairly easy to do. So be sure to try it out, guys. That's how to get your Last Day on Earth modded game for your device. Super awesome. I believe there are some other settings in here as well. Craft tools, no thirst, no poison. So it's wild, bro.